Welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, September 4th, 2024, and we have a lineup of science headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline.
Interactive map highlights pad amputation risks. Experts call for action. The PAD Collaborative has unveiled an interactive heat map online to showcase the risk of non-traumatic lower limb amputations due to peripheral artery disease, PAD. This tool provides state-specific data to aid in prevention efforts and improve the quality of life for those affected. Statistics reveal a pressing need for enhanced healthcare services, screening, and education in many parts of the U.S. The American Heart Association-led PAD Collaborative aims to raise awareness, promote research, and advocate for improved treatment for the 10 to 12 million Americans impacted by PAD. Experts stress the importance of screening and management to prevent amputations, especially in high-risk populations. The Collaborative's National Action Plan targets public awareness, detection, treatment, research, education, public health, and advocacy to reduce the burden of PAD and lower limb amputations.
Texas shoots for the stars. Brad Morrison reveals Texas's bold vision for space innovation on the Building Texas show. Brad Morrison, a key figure in the Texas Space Commission, reveals Texas's bold vision for space innovation on the Building Texas show. Morrison discusses the state's mission to establish Texas as the epicenter of space exploration and innovation through partnerships with government, academia, and private industry. Listeners will learn about Texas's initiatives to develop infrastructure, attract talent, and drive economic growth in the space industry. The Texas Space Commission plays a crucial role in advancing the state's position in space technology, focusing on research, infrastructure, and policy advocacy to ensure Texas remains a global leader in space initiatives.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.